Hi, everyone. Hi. Hello, hello. Oh my gosh, it's so nice to see so many of you. I think we've counted 40-ish people. Maybe that's not right, but it's honestly so awesome to see so many of you here today. Thank you so much for joining. So we'll do like 10 minutes just to run through what to expect today. So if this is your first Gitpod meetup, I just wanted to share that we have hosted 4 meetups around the world, and this is our 5th one. So the first one here on the left-hand side is Paris, then we did one in London, then we did one in Brest in France, and then this one is in Amsterdam, and this is our 5th one. And we also have a 6th one tomorrow in Berlin. So if you really enjoy today and you want to get the 5-hour train tomorrow, I'm on the 7 a.m. train. Maybe we can connect for 5 hours. So yes, honestly, it's so awesome to see so many of you here today. I just wanted to say thank you so much to our host, especially to Max. Can we just get a round of applause? Yeah, I was actually trying to organize this meetup and I don't know anything about Munich. This is my first time here. So trying to find a venue felt impossible, but thank you so much, Max, for setting this up and bringing us all together. So this is the agenda today. So we have a quick welcome, and then we have an introduction to CDEs, Cloud Development Environments, by Johannes. I won't spoil the contents of the talk just yet, but yeah, that's super exciting. Then we have some more networking and food, and then another talk, and then honestly, you're just free to talk and network and just chat like you were doing earlier. And then we have an end of the meetup. So thank you again. Oh my God, so excited for all the conversations. Okay, so this is the most important part of this meetup. So we run a Twitter competition every meetup, and you have the opportunity to win one of our Gitpod fan boxes, and you win so many cool stickers and all sorts of things, but the most important are these socks. So if you want these socks, there you go. Please tweet. You can also share on LinkedIn if that's better. Just use the hashtag Gitpod, hashtag Gitpod Munich. Just as an example to set the scene a little bit, I'm going to take a selfie here with all of you, if that's okay. Yes? Good?
What should we do on the photo? Just sit.
Bit of hand
Raise your
gestures.
hands.
Yes. Okay, you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Nice, awesome. So that is the first tweet that I will be tweeting. And you know, if I was a meetup attendee, I would win this prize. So just as an example.
To get your 10th pair.
To get my 10th pair of socks. Awesome. That is actually it from me. Johannes, are you ready for your